Welcome to this first in a series of instructional videos on how to use SQLiteAdmin to maintain the data and schema in your SQLite databases. I'm going to start up the program here. Start from scratch. I've been working on another database, but normally this is what you would see. Zoom in a bit here so you can see what's going on. Okay, so this is the main toolbar for the program that you will see when you first run it. And the three main areas here. Over on the left you've got access to the various elements of the schema, tables, indexes, triggers and views. And then next to them some other categories, some database utilities, data browser and maintenance tool, and a tool for typing in raw SQL commands. Over on this side, when we open the database, we'll see information about the database displayed there. And then down at the bottom here is a status message area used for confirming successful completion of various things, and also error messages. Pretty standard menu bar up here on the application menu. Of course it's a little different on Windows, but on the Mac you've got the preferences dialog, and this is the preferences form that you see. Lots of things here. I'll be going over some of them during these videos. Right now you can see I've got the option to open the last used database on startup, and I've also specified that the default view for any database that gets opened is the tables view. I can select any of those. So we'll just leave that as it is for now. Go ahead again to look at the menu again. File menu's got the usual options on there. One to open an existing database, one to create a new database. You can also open an in-memory database, which, as its name suggests, just exists in the program memory until the program quits. SQLiteAdmin does, however, have an option to save an in-memory database before you quit, so you don't lose all the work you were working on. And also down at the bottom there's the list of recently opened databases for you to choose from. Let's see, on the help menu we've got the SQLiteAdmin help available, which runs as a PDF file when you click on it. We've got a link to the release notes, which are out on the web, and you can also link to the official SQLite page for syntax help, and then other items down here to purchase and or register the product. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to create a new database for this exercise, and it's going to ask us what we want to call it, and this exercise is going to be based on creating a little CD library application. So I'm going to put that in. I'll give it an S3DB extension. There isn't really a standard extension for SQLite databases, but that's a pretty common one to use. So that's now been opened, and as you can see, because I had the default view of tables selected, it created the database and opened it in that view. So that's the end of this overview, and in the next video we'll take a look at how things work in the tables view.